how to make Tidio chatbot always available. So first, go to your Tidio account and then just click on the settings here at the bottom left. Then from here, just need to look for operating hours under personal. Click on it. From here, just need to toggle this on, and then you can just drag all of this so it would be available every time. Drag all of them from right to left, and from this one, Saturday and Sunday, you can just add a new time period here, and then drag it just like you did to the other ones. And for this one, make sure that you leave one day that's only up to 11:45 p.m. since I don't know, for some reason it doesn't save when I do this. So just click on save. As you can see, if I don't leave 11:45 p.m. it doesn't save. So if I leave 1, and there you go. Okay, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.